Alright, for this tutorial I will be teaching you how to add the pipes and the support to a Plan 3D. So for this class I'm tutoring a Plan 3D. We train on AutoCAD, Maya, 3ds Max, majorly all Autodesk application, Inventor, Map, Mechanical and Electrical Designs, etc. So let me launch my Plan 3D. Use my Plan 3D. I already have some few stuff there. So what I want to do now is I'll change my view to something like a southeast view. And you can see that I have structures already on ground. There's a vessel and then equipment with the vessel. I have another equipment here. Perhaps there's a kind of a nozzle stuff like that. It's a tank. If I want to input some of all these things, I just come to create. On create, you can see now this is a vertical tank that I just placed. And then this here we have a centrifuge. Yeah, it's a vessel on top here, and the one bottom is a pump. Here's a pump. I use a centrifuge pump. You can see there's a pump. So I just place 3 components here. So you feel free to play many of these components. You can see here these are dynamic spec support. You can see here there are so many supports that you can add to your pipes and stuff like that. I'll be inputting some of those things. So let me just quickly do something here. If I should hold down my shift and my middle mouse, I orbit my drawing, and then I can look at these edges. If I should click here, and I will just grip this. When I grip that, you can see how my stuffs flow. Right about here, I can just weld this out very well, and then right on this front here, if I should click on it, you see Plan 3D is going to automatically generate a pipe channel for me. And then if I'm okay, just press the enter key, and then you can see that pipe is created. So just cool as that. So if I orbit now, you can see how that pipe is generated. So this is a Plan 3D, and we use it to create the pipe designs for most of our gas processing plants, plant processing these things. And you can see that there's a drop here that is telling us that there's a leakage. So if I should stay, click on this place, drag it out. Now if I should go up right about somewhere here, I don't need to. Plant is going to automatically calculate the routing patch for me. So if I should click here now, you can see how that is generated, and you can see I just right click and press the enter, and the pipe is formulated as well. And you can see how these 2 pipes works, and you can see this is 0 1 2 3 4, just hierarchy of the stuff like that. So you see how all these stuffs work. So the same thing if I should come to this bottom right about here, there's another leak here. If I should pick this point, click here, my pipe is going to be routed, and then I want it to be routed to the pump right about here. So if I click, the routing process will be done right about somewhere here, and then this one somewhere to my pipe. So possibly that patch is not the best patch. Okay, you can see how the patch flows right, so it's not the best patch. Let's just undo that and undo the pipe, and then we just have the pipe undo. Okay, cool. Let's just maintain these because there are more to pipe design and stuff like that. But right about this class now, I've just done 2 connection of pipes, and you can see how the connections work. So you can keep having more robust pipes, these things and stuff like that. So more like another thing I can do is I can add pipe specs right about somewhere around here. If I want to have things on how to release gas or other steel on the specs, while this is selected, you can see here now I can scroll down right on this place. I can look for a very cool pipe and support. So let's just look at CS carbon steel, and then if I should pick this carbon steel, if I come out right on this now, I just snap right on this device, and if I should click, you can see that I can position where I want the rotation of my distance to be, and press the escape key. So you can see how I had the support right on these edges. So that is that about on how you add support on pipe specs. So feel free to get more of our video tutorials, and that's that about that. We can still add more stuff to this. Let me just add another support right on this stuff. If I click on this place again, I can stay right on this top right here, and if I should click somewhere around here, I can add another support right, and I could put my protector to position it where I want, maybe bend like this. I'll click and press the escape key, and I've had another 2 support right on these pipe, stuff like that. So that is that about this video. See you in another video. I remain your tutor, Adisa Suleiman Mustafa. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in another video.